Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Right to Education. দশম শ্ৰেণীৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল আগৰ ৰচনাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো তোমালোকৰ বহুতে কমেণ্ট কৰি আছিল ইংলিছৰ এছে লাগে বুলি। তো আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোত ইংলিছৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট ৰচনাসমূহ ডিছক্ৰিপশ্যনত লৈ আহিছোঁ। কোনেও ভিডিঅ'টো সম্পূৰ্ণ নোচোৱাকৈ নাযাবা আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিলে লাইক, শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা। আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টোৰ প্ৰথমটো আছে মাই ফেভৰেট বুক বা এ বুক ইউ ৰিচেণ্টলি ৰিড। এনেকৈ আহিব পাৰে। তো যিয়ে আহক তোমালোকে এইটো আছে লিখি দিবা। মাই ফেভৰেট বুক ইজ দ্য জংগল বুক ৰিটেন বাই ৰুডিয়াৰ্ড কিপলিং। It is a fascinating collection of stories about a young boy named Mowgli, who is raised by wolves in the jungle. The book beautifully describes Mowgli's adventure and his interactions with various animals like Velo the bear, Bagheera the black panther, and Sher Khan the tiger. তাৰপিছত পেৰাগ্ৰাফ চেঞ্জ কৰি তোমালোকে লিখিবা I love this book because it teaches important life lessons about friendship, bravery, and survival. Mowgli's bond with the animals shows the value of trust and loyalty. The story also highlights the struggle between good and evil through the conflict between Mowgli and Sher Khan. Last paragraph, the vivid descriptions of the jungle and its creature make the story exciting and adventurous. The Jungle Book not only entertains but also teaches the importance of respecting nature and understanding the balance of life. This is why it is my favorite book. Second important is physical exercise. Physical exercise is essential for maintaining a healthy body and mind. It involves activities like walking, running, cycling, swimming, and playing sports that keep the body active and strong. Regular exercise improves overall health by strengthening muscles, boosting immunity, and improving heart function. Paragraph sense kori likhiba. Exercise also plays a key role in maintaining mental health. It helps reduce stress, anxiety, and depression by releasing feel-good hormones called endorphins. It improves focus, memory, and sleep patterns, leading to a more balanced and energetic life. Second paragraph kori likhiba. In today's busy world, many people ignore physical fitness, which leads to health problems like obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. A daily routine of at least 30 minutes of exercise can prevent these issues and improve quality of life. Last paragraph, therefore physical exercise is not just about fitness but is a necessary habit for a healthy, happy, and long life. Issue 3 number is discipline. Discipline is a vital quality that plays a significant role in shaping a person's character and success. It means following rules, staying focused on goals, and maintaining self-control in every aspect of life. A disciplined person manages time wisely, completes tasks, responsibility, and makes thoughtful decisions. Paragraph sense kori likhiba. In student life, discipline is especially important as it helps in achieving academic goals and developing good habits. It teaches students to respect their elders, follow school rules, and balance studies with other activities. Without discipline, success becomes difficult because it leads to laziness and distractions. Last paragraph of the likhiba. Discipline is equally important in professional life. It promotes punctuality, teamwork, and productivity. Great leaders and successful people often attribute their achievements to strict self-discipline. Whether in personal growth, education, or career, discipline helps in overcoming challenges and achieving goals. Therefore, discipline is the foundation of a successful and fulfilling life. Next essay to ahisu 6 number essay, my aim in life. My aim in life to become a teacher. Everyone has a goal in life that guides their actions and decisions. My aim in life is to become a teacher. Teaching is a noble profession that shapes the future of society. A teacher is not only imparts knowledge but also inspires students to become better individuals. I have always admired how teachers influence young minds and help them discover their potential. As a teacher, I want to create a positive and engaging learning environment where students feel encouraged to ask questions and think creatively. I believe education is the key to solving many problems in the world, and I want to contribute my guiding students towards success. I will focus on developing their moral values and critical thinking skills. Teaching is not just a job for me, but a way to make a meaningful difference in the lives of others and society as a whole. 5 number essay to the life of a great man. The life of a great man, Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, also known as the father of the nation, was a great leader and freedom fighter of India. He was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He studied law in England and later went to South Africa, where he fought against racial discrimination. Gandhi believed in truth, non-violence, and peace. He led India's freedom struggle through non-violent movements like the Non-Cooperation Movement, the Dandi March, and the Quit India Movement. His method of Satyagraha inspired millions to fight for justice without violence. He dedicated his life to removing social evils like untouchability and promoting unity among people. Gandhi lived a simple life, wore khadi, and promoted self-reliance. His teachings of truth and non-violence continue to inspire the world. Mahatma Gandhi's life is a symbol of peace, courage, and selfless service. এতিয়া আহিছোঁ ইংলিছৰ 6 নম্বৰ এছেটোলৈ Science in everyday life. Science plays a vital role in our everyday lives, making our routines easier, faster, and more comfortable. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to the bed, science influences every aspect of our daily activities. Alarm clocks, electric lights, and household appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, and microwaves are all products of scientific advancements. Communication has become instant and more efficient through mobile phones, the internet, and social media platforms, all thanks to science. Transportation has improved with cars, trains, and airplanes, making travel quicker and safer. In healthcare, scientific inventions like vaccines, medicines, and medical equipment have saved countless lives. Science also helps in agriculture through modern tools, fertilizers, and irrigation systems, ensuring better crop production. Even entertainment through television, cinema, and online streaming is a gift of science. Overall, science has made life more convenient, healthier, and enjoyable, shaping the modern world. তো এইখিনিয়ে আছিল আজি ইংলিছৰ ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট এছেসমূহ। যদি তোমালোকৰ অসমীয়া আৰু হিন্দীৰ ৰচনাসমূহ লাগে তেতিয়াহ'লে কমেণ্টত লিখিবা মই অন্য এটি ভিডিঅ'ত অসমীয়া আৰু হিন্দীৰ ৰচনাসমূহ ডিছক্ৰিপশ্যনত লৈ আহিম